Well, next month is hunting season officially, but we have spotted the wild Kubota mini excavator in its natural habitat in the forest, building ponds. So we've hit ledge. This is about as deep as this section can go. Over here, I'd say it's maybe 4.5 feet, and over there, a little deeper. All of this sand up on this ridge here has to go, or it'll end up right in the pond when it rains. So we're gonna remove all of that and stuff it that way. He's already stuffing some material that way. Just so he can get in and out of here. Look at the water that is filling in here already. Holy cow. And this is the dry season? Okay, to give an idea of the amount of water I'm dealing with here, this is the alleged dry season up here. This is not mud season. And these are the tracks of the Kubota. There's some weird shit floating in the water. I'm hoping that isn't grease or something. Just what we need in our new pond. It's like, how do you dig ponds with a industrial machine without creating instant environmental damage from all the grease and gear oil and whatnot and so forth? And how the hell is he getting down in here to finish any of this? I do not know. I was up all night freaking out over that. Yeah, that bottom berm over there on the right-hand side, sorry about the glare, that isn't done yet. And I hope it's dried out a little bit. The reason this berm is not compacted is that it is basically the mud form of quicksand. Like, there's nothing solid you can even step on under my feet. Like, I've gotten stuck in here. The excavator was stuck in here yesterday for longer than anyone would like to admit. Yeah, this isn't compactable yet because it's so wet. You can see the moisture on it. So that part of the berm is holding water. You can see that we still have a mess here, and there's no way this excavator can go forward and get. So our unwitting excavator operator thinks our spillway is going to be right here in the weakest point of the dam. And so we're having a disagreement over that and why. And he's saying, oh, I'd put the spillway here. And I'm saying, well, then you'd have a blown out pond berm. So I'm putting my spillway over here, off to the side. And I'm gonna dig a trench right through here. And it's gonna be heading downhill once the water gets to a level that's a little bit below here. And this is gonna have to be raised up so the water can't flow through, obviously. You never ever put your spillway in your berm at the bottom. Bad idea. It will erode your berm. So this pond is 2 days into the making, and I'm hoping it'll be somewhat finished today, except I don't know what to do about that fucking problem. He's gonna refuse to come in here. Even if this is drained, it's still not gonna be dry enough to get an excavator in here and not get it stuck. So what a shit show. But just wanted to show you guys this important piece of information I just noticed. A deer track. So somebody's already been coming in here to get a drink. the deer want me to hurry up and finish their fucking pond, so. Look at that. Freaking little tiny deer. Yeah. Nice. We're already having visitors and we're not even near done with this lower berm clusterfuck catastrophe here. Everything's a soupy, muddy, uncompacted, wet mess. I am working on the spillway here.